Alrighty, so got the deck done. Heard the little steps here. They were falling down, rotting. I know it's a little dark out here. Pretty impressed with my little project here. Still need to do a little bit of sanding. Get all that paint off of there. But I made it easy for myself. It looks pretty good. Tried that cattle fence, or I guess it's called sheep and goat fence panels from southern states. Turned out pretty good. Cuts were a little bit difficult on that angle there, but and the thing solid as a rock. At least a gypsum rock anyway. I think we're good. I think I'll have to push that thing out. Use the dado blade. Homemade, of course, 2 blades together on my table saw, and dadoed all those joints so the fence will slip down in, and they're about 3/4 inch deep. I did cut the fence a little bit longer, so they're pretty tight in there. That's why you kind of see this one has I don't know if you can see it or not, little bow in it. But over time, it should soften up. I still think I need to drill some weep holes in those bottom boards, and I'll get that tomorrow. But it's late, so I'd show a little bit of progress on this. I'm pretty excited that this part's done. Been fighting the rain and the cold for days trying to get this finished up.